Live down here, getting ready for the Summer Jam with the headliner, Avant, just doing the thing. Avant, back in the D, after Ladies Night Out, you just had to come back here, too much response.
Well, you know, I had to come back and give them somewhat of a show this time, you know. So last time I just came in, you know, they called me in and late. And I was like, yo, I'll give y'all something, you know. But this time I'm going to give them somewhat of a show, so make sure you out there to check it out.
Right. Now, the new album, Avant, that's out right now, and you're killing them on the Billboard side. Anything you want to tell the D as far as the music concerned?
Yo, I just appreciate you going out and supporting me, supporting my music, and having a good time with this. You know, I'm going to ride this horse until he get old and fall down, you know.
Chilling on Video Vibe with Avant.
Yo, ladies, I got stamina for real. Legs spread all over the bed. On Video Vibe, you know how we do.